How to fix sleep mode not working on Windows 11. Here's how to fix it. First, search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. If View By is set to Category, change it to Large Icons. Next, click Power Options. Then, select Change Plan Settings next to your current power plan. Now, click Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand the Sleep section. Under Sleep After, set both On Battery and Plugged In to Never. Also, expand Allow Wake Timers and set both options to Disable. Next, expand PCI Express, then Link State Power Management and set both On Battery and Plugged In to Off. Click Apply, then OK. Now, search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. powercfg.exe/hibernate off. Once the command runs successfully, restart your computer. That's it. Your Windows sleep mode issue should now be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.